How to fix blurry pictures on Facebook. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Facebook application and then click on the three horizontal lines on the top of your screen. Click on the settings menu on the top and then here scroll down and click on media. Here you can see video quality and then it is managed to the option of data share, which says that it uses 40% less data by reducing video quality. So this might be the reason of your videos low quality. So all you need to do is simply click on the optimized option, which adjusts your video to network conditions. Also the other reason for your videos qualities to be low is your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi and make sure your Wi-Fi isn't poor so it doesn't reduce your videos quality. So in this way you can upgrade your Facebook's pictures. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you all, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.